Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change the package name of our Android app in Android Studio. So let's get started. First of all, we have to open Android manifest.xml file. So let's open that. After opening, you can see here, this is our package name, and select which word you would like to change. So I'm selecting here learning, and right click of your mouse and go reflector and click rename and click on rename package, and then here give your new package name. So I'm giving here my application, APPLICATIO application, and after giving, click on reflector, and then we are done in our Android manifest.xml file. And let's copy this word and go brill.gradle module file, and here we have to change our package name as well, and select this word and paste that and click on since now, and this will take a little bit time. After some times your package name has become changed, and then if you see here your package name has become changed here, that means you have successfully changed your package names. So guys, I hope that you have understand that how you can change the package name of your Android app in Android Studio. So that's all in this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and finally thank you very much for watching my video.